Hey everyone, have you heard? We're starting our fundraiser today. Let's get started. Check out your Believe Kids packet. The parent letter is the most important piece of paper in your packet. Be sure to give this to someone at home today. Why? So you can start selling right away. You also have a catalog in your packet that has all kinds of delicious snacks. There are tasty treats like cookie dough, Oreo churros, cinnamon gooey bites, and jalapeno snack rolls. Finally, check out the order form and envelope. Write down your orders and keep track of all the money you collect. Don't forget to fill in your name and your teacher's name too. This fundraiser will be fun. By selling from your catalog, you can do your part to help your school make money. What family members do you know who live in other states? They can support you too by shopping at shopbelieve.com. Here are some helpful tips for selling. First, sell to people you know. People at your parents' work, grandparents, uncles, aunts, other family, friends in clubs or on your teams, church members, and neighbors. Second, it's important to be polite. Always say thank you.
Thanks, Uncle Tim.
Your safety is really important. Only sell to people you know. Now let's get to the good stuff. The prizes. Remember, you can win prizes in 2 ways. Go to BelievePrizes.com for instant winner prizes. There are over $25,000 worth of prizes to win. Play the golden ticket game and you could be an instant winner. Next, and most importantly, sell from your catalog and prizes add up. That's right, prizes add up as you sell. So the more you sell, the more prizes you earn. All you have to do to win our mystery prize is sell 1 item. That's easy, right? What could it be? If you sell 5 items, you get an alien splat frog. Throw this squishy frog at any flat surface and watch it splat super flat. Whoa, look at that planet sling! Sell just 10 items and the sling is all yours. Pull back and watch the planets fly. The super soft foam makes this game fun and safe. Want to throw a super space disco? Sell 15 items to win the Space Party Light. Plug it into a light socket and turn any room into an extraterrestrial party. Sell 25 items to win the LED space laces. Everyone will notice your sweet dance moves with these futuristic laces. Just lace up your favorite shoes. Score! The tabletop anti-gravity air hockey can be played on almost any surface. Sell 40 items and you'll be playing an anti-gravity game in no time. Do you think you're ready for the dual-action astronaut flyer? We do! Sell 60 items and you'll have a blast sending the astronaut towards space. This flyer is super sweet because you can control it with your hand too. Sell 80 items and you'll be over the moon about the jumping robot rover. This remote-controlled robot rotates 360 degrees, drives backwards, and it can even jump up to 2 feet. Amaze all your friends with this easy but super cool remote-control robot. Guess what? Sell 100 items and you get to choose your prize. Win either an electric rocket scooter or an Amazon Fire tablet. You'll be reading or writing in style in no time. Ready to sell 125 items? You'll get to choose between a galactic party rocker or a Spike. The party rocker is a Bluetooth-capable speaker and light system that comes with a microphone. It's great for a party on the go. The Spike is a sweet combination of a skateboard, scooter, and bike. Get ready! If you sell 200 items, you can choose between the best prizes available. You can pick either a brand new Apple Watch or a 14-foot trampoline. Big or small, both of these prizes are amazing. So there you have it. Sell to people you know, like people at your parents' work, family, and friends. Sell from your catalog. Stay safe. Say thank you. And win big!